Hi, my name is Ollie Scholler, and I'm Vice President of Product Development here at HJ3. We're presenting to you today our StrongHold residential products. These systems are built upon 30 years of full-scale testing and have been used successfully across the globe in thousands of applications for repairing bridges, industrial applications, and preventing damage from earthquakes. We package all of these products under ISO 9001 to bring you the most high-performance system on every order. Cracking in walls is a common occurrence. Cracks result due to soil and water loads that exceed the capacity of your basement wall. Over time, these cracks may open up and allow water inside of your home. These cracks can also present challenges during home inspections, which may delay the sale of your home. We have invented the StrongHold crack repair system, which utilizes high-strength carbon fiber and epoxy resin to seal off and apply directly over a crack to keep it from expanding and causing further damage. After the StrongHold crack repair system cures, it can be painted or drywalled to create an aesthetic impact. Next up, we have Ed Rosato, our head trainer, to walk you through what's included in our StrongHold repair systems.
Hi, I'm Ed Rosato. I'm the project manager here at HJ3. Today I will be going over with you what is in the box of a crack repair kit. Inside of our box, we provide 3 bags. Bag number 1, we have our primer. The bigger containers are the A, the smallers are the B. Bag number 2, we have our saturant. Same thing, A being the bigger container, B being the smaller. We provide you guys with enough primer, saturant, to be able to use with the fiber that we give you inside the bag. This is our fiber here. We provide you guys, this one specifically is 40 linear feet. You can use it on brick, concrete. Stick around, I'm going to show you how to install our system.